How to recover deleted photos from WhatsApp. Firstly, on your device, go to Play Store or App Store and search for WhatsApp. After that, look for any kind of updates that may be available for the WhatsApp app. If there are updates available, then update your app. If not, then open the app on your device. Now go to the message or chat where the photo was sent. There you will see an interface like this. At the very top left, you will see the profile picture. Click on the profile picture or the name. Then you will land to the More Settings section. If you scroll down a bit, then you will see this section called Media, Links and Docs. Click on that section to view all your medias, links and docs. Inside, you can search for the photo they sent you. If the photo is available here, then download it to your gallery. If the photo is not available here, then you can follow these alternative steps. You can go to your gallery or your file manager to check for the photo. If the picture is available on your file manager, then transfer it to your album. The most efficient way to do it would be to ask them to resend the picture. So that's all for today. Thank you.